what do I want the audience to feel when they see my art? Everybody's experience in nature is different, but there's similarities. I think everybody has had the experience when they've stepped outside, or they've been in a national park, or they go into a forest, or in front of a waterfall or a pond, where they just feel reverence, awe. And it could be something as simple as a wildflower, where we feel, wow. The wow factor at the Tetons is a lot higher than it would be at looking at a leaf or something. But it can still be the same amount of reverence in front of God's creations. That's what this is. For me, I want people to feel that. When they look at my art, I want them to have that feeling again that they had when they were standing in front of that pool in the forest, or when they were facing that cliff, or they were watching the clouds. That's what we feel. And in my opinion, that's the value of art, is the emotional response that we get from it. And so at the Tetons, there needs to be a wow. This is them. This is the Tetons. Wow. That's what I want people to feel. And the only way I can do that is to show them with the greatest accuracy and the greatest drama that I can.